Alright, so as we know, they've brought in a couple new rules in 2020 about using your phone while driving. It's a big no-no now. And they've got a couple sneaky cameras to try and catch you at it. So, this is a tutorial on how to avoid the cameras, which you shouldn't listen to because it's illegal to use your phone while driving. Which is going to use 3 easy, cheap ingredients: a box, some rope, and some tape on how to avoid the cameras, which is definitely not recommended to try. Okay, so we're aiming to put the phone somewhere around here, maybe there. That's totally a safe space to put it. If you really want to text and drive, why don't you put it there? That'd be great. You can Instagram, Tinder, do whatever the hell you want down here. The only problem is, if the camera's looking from the windscreen down, they're gonna spot you. So this is what you do. Step 1, get a box. Pretty easy. So what you do, you line the box up here with where you want it to go, and then, as I'll show next, step 1 complete, sticky tape said box to the dashboard of the car. It's just sitting there right now. Now the problem is we need to get it to sit straight and level, so you've got a nice little space under here, and you've got nice space so the camera can't see you here. So to fix this, we're going to run this rope through the box to the mirror. So here we have it, a genuine, one-of-a-kind DIY mobile phone anti-detector. You can come down here, you can swipe left, you can swipe right, you can go on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, YouTube, do whatever the hell you want. Not recommended whilst driving, as it's obviously known. You don't text and drive, but for those of you who do, there are a couple ways around it. But don't use this as a way around it, because this is not recommended. Now, of course, there is one flaw with this issue, and that issue is, of course, while you're driving, you're unable to access any of these, including the aircon, the radio, the aux cord, or the hazard lights, which is also a big no-no. So that's probably what they'll pull you up for, something menial like that. Not the fact that you're using a phone while driving, the fact that you're covering all that. And the string doesn't help. The string gets in the way. Another thing of note about this design is that it's completely removable within a few seconds. All you need to do is let go of the rope, give it a good yank, and it's gone. So there you have it. You got yourself a DIY phone hider, whatever you want to call it. It's there. Don't use it when you're driving, because this will probably pull you up, the piece of string. They'll find some reason to get you. So don't use this. Don't text and drive. Wait till you get to your destination. But hopefully this was a bit of fun to watch and get a couple ideas from. I did challenge one other person to create their own. I want to see how well they did. I bet mine was better. It was cheaper at least. It was completely free. Just use what you got. Until next time, see ya. Consider subscribing. Have a good day.